Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Gottlieb from Danville Materials, along with Drs. Retzer and Singh from Benicia, California, here demonstrating the use of Danville Materials' innovative alginate substitute, Noginate. You may know Danville Materials for the original Prep Start Air, or for being the world's leader in air abrasion technology, or for their complete family of flowable composite materials. At Danville, it's all about innovation and bringing you the best products inspired by dentists for dentists. There are three main advantages to using an alginate substitute such as Noginate. One is the ease of use. You can pour up your impression anytime at your convenience. Two, it's incredibly stable, and the material will not distort or change over time. And three, and finally, allowing multiple pours of the impression material even months later. The first step is to select the correct size impression tray. Danville's Clearview trays are conveniently organized in a tray holder and manufactured in a clear thermoplastic material that allows the dentist to modify the tray with a flame heat source. Soaking the tray in hot water by the handle will only turn the tray into spaghetti. Focused heat ensures that only the area requiring modification is changed. Once we know we have a uniform clearance around all the teeth, we need to establish a stop on the palate. Dr. Singh is shown here placing stiff bite into the palate area to establish the rest stop. So when the alginate is loaded into the tray and then seated in the mouth, the teeth don't hit the bottom of the tray. The palate material also guides the loaded tray into position. Once set, a minimum amount of the stop is carved away with the final impression material to accurately capture the anatomy of the palate in the impression. Dr. Retzer is placing the Danville post-dam membrane across the back of the tray. Any and every impression material while in the liquid state will find the path of least resistance, which is down the back of the throat. Danville is a micropore membrane that seals off the back of the tray, preventing the material from flowing down the palate, while at the same time forcing the material up around the teeth and the tuberosity area. On the Danville post-dam membrane is a horizontal dotted line and another set of short vertical lines every 3 inches. For an upper tray, tear off from the dispenser approximately 4.5 inches, about 1.5 repeats of the short vertical lines. Line up the dotted line with the bottom of the tray. You may want to use a scissor to neatly tuck the Danville against the palatal part of the tray. While loading the tray with Noginate, keep the mixing tip buried in the material and quickly work your way across to the other side, completely filling the tray. One of the main reasons for the material being displaced from the tray upon removal, or a poor impression, is an underfilled tray. In order to capture the entire upper fold, Dr. Retzer is holding the Danville's fifth hand in place by gently pulling it up and out. This allows Dr. Singh to place the Noginate into the labial fold against the fifth hand retractor. The tray is seated over the teeth and the material blends together. The fifth hand lip and cheek retractor is removed before the material sets by pulling it straight out. Always load the tray first, since it sets 4 times faster inside the mouth. Once completely set, tease the tray down and out by grabbing the sides of the tray with some impression material at the same time. Pulling the impression out using the handle may tear or loosen the material from the tray. Simply inspect the impression to make sure you captured what you need, and then disinfect the impression with your standard agent and either send it off to the laboratory or pour it yourself. Utilizing Danville's Clearview trays, the fifth hand, and Danville post-dam membrane along with the Noginate impression material yields outstanding, accurate dental impressions. If you would like additional information, please contact your local dealer or call Danville Materials at 1-800-827-7940.